Hi, thanks for clicking in. I'm Jason with Breck Ironworks. Today we're going to do a step-by-step installation of one of our custom handmade fire features here at this beautiful home on this brand new deck. Tools that we use for this installation, we'll start with a pipe wrench, we'll get to our crescent wrench, and our plumber's putty. So you essentially have 3 steps at this point once you approach the exposed valve above grade. Step 1 is to remove the valve cap, making sure that all gas supply to this valve has been shut off. Use your pipe wrench. Step 2, you'll apply your plumber's putty around the threads of your exposed gas supply pipe. With that, your compressed fitting then gets threaded to the gas supply pipe. Grab a crescent wrench and tighten this to complete step 2. Moving on to the third and final step, this may require a second set of hands. With this being a compression fitting or a flanged fitting, you never need to over torque your connection at this point. Once the fitting starts to bite, there's no need to over rotate and crank down on this. So make sure that just as you feel it to grab and bite, that's more than adequate, okay? That is an important aspect of this final step. This is our 24-inch trailhead log set, and one person can manage in placing the steel log set back to the base itself. You're going to have one hand on the key valve and your wand lighter or your log lighter in your other hand. First, ignite the log lighter itself and get it inside the logs and just above the burner. Simply open up the key valve here in your left hand. You'll hear the release and hiss of the gas, and then up goes the flame. That completes our 3-step installation process of your Breck Ironworks fire feature. All of our fire features do come with a lifetime guarantee, and please reach out to us at any time. BreckIronworks.com, 970-759-3103. Thank you.